Inner peace refers to a state of being mentally and spiritually at peace, with enough knowledge and understanding to keep oneself strong in the face of discord or stress. My name is Joy Reynolds, and I will be your guide here today to help you connect with your inner peace during a time of uncertainty or a challenging situation. I invite you to make yourself comfortable, either sitting or laying down. Gently close the eyes and take in 3 deep breaths. Breathing in slowly, and with each exhale, allow the body to become relaxed. Return your breathing to its natural rhythm and continue to observe this beautiful life force energy, noticing how and where it flows throughout the body. Imagine your inner world is like a glass of water, and this glass has mud at the bottom of it. When this glass is continually filled with fresh, clear water, it flushes out the mud, and the once murky water becomes clear. Now imagine a clear white light filling your body on each inhale, and on each exhale you breathe out all the murkiness and mud. See or sense this clear light filling you up and flushing out the darkness, releasing the darkness of worry, stress, anxiety, fear, or whatever else is represented by the mud for you. As you become filled with clear white light, you can notice now how you are becoming more and more relaxed, and you begin to feel at peace. This light is providing this sense of peace and love within you right here, right now. Peace is always inside you, regardless of what is happening on the outside of you. Let's allow the mind now to just sail away, just for a few moments, away from the current situation to a beautiful place in your mind where you can begin to feel the cool waters of peace inside yourself. Take your mind to a place where you can relax and forget the world of uncertainty, stresses, and situations. Allow these waters of peace to calm you and soothe you. To handle any difficult situation, it's essential that you know how to step away to a place of peace in your mind. Relaxing the body and mind, as you have experienced here today, can be done anywhere, anytime, whenever you want to bring to your awareness the peace inside you. Let's rise up now to get a better perspective. Rise up now, floating up and up into the sky, as if you're flying high as a bird. And you look down, seeing the situation from a higher perspective, going beyond the physical dimension. Look down from this space of peace and higher perspective and see that not only is this current situation a small speck of eternity, it has a gift, it has a lesson to teach you. And when you discover that lesson, you can unlock the key to your growth and happiness. Instead of a situation creating sorrow or anxiety within you, you can use the situation to create growth, to create a bridge to a new place in your being and in your life. A lotus flower emerges from the mud to become a symbol of peace and beauty. It needs the mud to allow the growth. Be the lotus flower and emerge with peace, love, and beauty. Breathe in and breathe out and feel into the feelings of peace and love. Everyone can benefit from the showering of feelings of peace and love. Send these beautiful feelings you are experiencing here out to all those who need it. Send your peace and vibrations of love to family and friends. Send out the pure blessings that everything will work out for the best. Send this vibration out into the world. yourself the vibrations of peace. Assure yourself that all will be well. Everyone has an identity beyond any situation or circumstance. Everyone is a soul. This situation will pass. Stay in the peace of knowing that wisdom, peace, and love are the greatest gifts you can bring to any situation of uncertainty. Gently bring yourself back into the room, filled with the knowledge that you can experience peace during any situation of uncertainty, just by stepping into that place of peace in the mind. When you are ready, allow the eyes to open.